Welcome to Italic. In this video I will tell you that how to write italic on WhatsApp and how to write bold on WhatsApp. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for such an amazing ideas. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp and select the chat to whom you want to send italic and bold messages. Then we will type a message. So here you can see underscore option. We will click it. Then we will write a message. And at the end we will again add underscore, so you can see the text message is in italic now. So in this way you can write in italic on WhatsApp. So now I will tell you that how to write italic plus bold. So now we will start with star, then underscore, then message, again underscore, and then star. So in this way your message will become italic plus bold. So at the end I will tell you that how to write bold message on WhatsApp. Now we will start with star, then message, and at the end again star. So in this way you can make your WhatsApp message bold. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.